Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Happy new week to you all. Today's video we are making plantain chips. Yes, and I'm going to bake these plantain chips in the oven. So all I'll do now is I'm using this green plantain. So what I'm going to do is to peel, cut, add it salt and oil, and grill it in the oven or bake it in the oven. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have already washed the plantains thoroughly before peeling it. So if you want to make this, make sure you wash the plantain before peeling. I'm done slicing the plantains, so I will now add it some salt and the vegetable oil mixed together and then pour into my baking pan. I'm leaving this simple, but you can mix it any spices you want. You can add ginger, you can add pepper, you can add even garlic powder. You can also add sugar if you want. But I'm leaving this simple with just salt and the vegetable oil. As you can see, I've just poured the sliced plantains into the baking pan, and I'm here trying to separate them so that each can stay on its own. Just separate as much as I can, and then I'll take it to the oven. And here we have our baked plantain chips, so crunchy and crispy, and I enjoyed eating this, and the people around me also enjoyed eating it, and I'll be making this every time. I hope you too can try this. I bet you will enjoy it too. Very crunchy.